Hi, I'm Alice and I'm going to talk to you about security grilles, retractable and how secure they are and the ways that they fit, the colours they come in. I'm in the showroom in Wellingborough where you can see these for yourself. This is the Seceuroguard 1001 and this is the Seceuroguard 1000. Each comes in the curved or the diamond design, and each comes in a standard range of colours of at least 47, many to choose from, plus any rail colour of your choice. I'm going to show you this one first, which is the high level security. This has been tested to LPS 1175 and is also secured by design. The reasons for that are that the rivets have been flattened to disable them. There are minimum 4-point locks. I'll show you those in action now. Here are the hooks when I turn the key, coming into place. There's a bar to add strength to the grille. This particular door is a face fixed product, which means that it's on the outside of your opening, either your door or your window. This has been drilled on the face. Now these can be installed between the opening, and the way that that happens is that you would drill through that direction in between your opening, for example just here, and upwards into the head of your opening. Depending on your needs, you can have the locks positioned low, middle or high. These can be custom built to any opening width, and the sashes can be bi-parting or to one side or the other. One of the most obvious differences between these two levels of security of a grille is that the sash on this one stays where it is and it must remain to one side, it can't swing out. Whereas on the Seceuroguard 1000, which we have here, the sash, you can choose to have it hinged so that it comes away from your opening. I'll show you how it works now. In this particular model, we have a lifting bottom track as well, which is an option you can choose. The bottom track is removable depending on the height of your opening in comparison to your width. And here you see that the sash is now away from your opening entirely and hinged to one side. Here is an example of how the Seceuroguard 1000 has been fitted between the opening. In our showroom, you'll see that the screw holes have been left to show you, and they're pre-drilled screw holes where you would go straight through here to your block work. Thank you for watching. Come and see them, try them and feel them for yourself in our Wellingborough showroom.